Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up CMDR. First, download the CMDR archive from its official source. Once downloaded, extract all the files to a directory of your choice, such as your Program Files folder or a dedicated Tools folder. Then, simply run CMDR exe to launch the console for the first time and ensure it's working correctly. To make CMDR easily accessible, you should add its bin directory to your system's path environment variable. This allows you to launch CMDR from any folder by simply typing CMDR in your command prompt. After making this change, remember to restart your computer for the updates to take full effect across your system. Personalizing CMDR enhances your workflow. You can access settings by right-clicking anywhere in the console window. From there, adjust fonts, color schemes, and even set up custom aliases for frequently used commands. Saving these configurations ensures your preferred setup is always ready, making your command line experience more efficient and enjoyable. For seamless integration with Windows Explorer, open an elevated CMDR instance and run \cmdir exe/register all. This command adds a convenient CMDR here option to your right-click context menu. Now, you can simply right-click any folder in Explorer and select this option to instantly open CMDR in that specific location, saving you time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.